Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and this is Glory, and today's video is going to be about the Smitten app. So basically Smitten is an app which gives the products for trial, and you have to pay 199 rupees, and this 199 rupees will be there in the Smitten app, and you can use this 199 rupees when you're purchasing a product on the Smitten. Yeah, that is how it works. This time they gave 6 trial points, so I ordered 2 times. Here I am to show you what are the products I got. I am so excited to show you guys, and you're not excited? And if you're, let's begin into the video. The first product is this water. This is VOTRE Botanical Day Gel Cream, SPF 35, PA++, mineral enriched. So this is a free product, guys, and this is for 674 rupees for 30 grams of product. What I got attracted in this bottle is it says SPF 35 PA++ with mineral enriched. So I just wanted to try. I just ordered this product. And the second product is this MCaffeine Naked and Raw Mocha Coffee Face Mask. So yeah, I wanted to try for so long this MCaffeine products. Finally I got for myself, and this is a face mask. I love using a face mask, guys. This is a glass bottle, guys. I just like the packaging so much. This is 12 grams of product. The third product is also from MCaffeine, and this is a Naked Raw Body Polishing Oil. So I just loved the name itself, body polishing oil. I like to use serums on my body too. And this is a glass bottle, and you can see 2 coffee beans inside. So cute, guys. This packaging looks so cute, and I just like the name too. So I just wanted to try for myself, so I just got it. And this is a 15 ml product. The next product is from Mamaearth, and this is an Upton face wash. So I wanted to try Mamaearth face wash because so many people are telling good about these products. So I just wanted to try for myself. This is for a 25 ml product. And the next product is from Akaya Youth, Your Daily Dose of Youth. I love using face mask, so I just got for myself one, and this is Akaya Youth Oxy Infusion Brightening Face Mask. This is originally priced for 125 rupees. From the same brand, I got one more face mask, and this is hydrating face mask, and that was a brightening mask, and I just got another one. So this is the one. This is how it looks. And the last one is this perfume, guys, and I just love the packaging. It's so cute, and this is from the brand Fragrance and Beyond, and the name of the perfume is Velvet Oud, OUD, and I'm pronouncing like a oud. I don't know whether it is a correct pronunciation or not. And this is how it looks. This looks so cute. I just like the smell. I just like it, and these are all the free trials which I got. 6 products plus 1 free product. Okay, in the second box I got with a free pouch. So this is a free pouch in the second box. So this is how it looks. The pouch looks so good, and the quality of the material is also so good, guys. And when I open it, the first product comes in my hand is this perfume. This is a body deodorant, and it comes for 40 ml of product for 99 rupees, and originally priced for 99 rupees. The second product is from the Mom's Co Natural Clay Face Wash, and this is how it looks. This is for 20 grams of product. Never tried this brand, so that's why I got this. The third product is the Plum Green Tea Alcohol Free. So I just got a toner, a plum toner from this, and this is how it looks. The packaging looks so good, the cute little bottle. And next product is the Mamaearth Vitamin C Face Wash. So yes, I wanted to try Mamaearth face wash, I already told you. So this is the Mamaearth Vitamin C Face Wash, and that was Upton Face Wash, and this is a Vitamin C Face Wash. So yes, and this is also for a 25 ml of product. And the last but not the least, this is from, what is this? MCaffeine. Yes, this is from MCaffeine Naked and Raw Cappuccino Coffee Face Mask. I told you I love the face mask. That was that mocha face mask, and this is a cappuccino face mask. And yeah, this is how it looks, and the same bottle packaging, and it looks so cute. And this is also for 12 grams of product. Yeah, this is how it looks. And yeah, that's all about this, guys. And if you like my video, please hit like button and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye.